Well, hello there, and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be sharing with you how to create dependencies of tasks in Clickup. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is to log in into your Clickup with the provided username and password. Well, a very common scenario that will happen to you in your project management is when you have different departments that are using the very same ClickUp, but you do not want to share everything else that is in every other person's ClickUp. For example, if I navigate into my spaces, I have a project management space and I also have a marketing department space. It will really be so messy if everyone from every single space will be able to see everything else within any other space. And with that, there comes in a need for us to link tasks that are common within the different spaces and leave everything else intact within their respective space. Now, to do that, for instance, I'll navigate into my project management, assuming there is a project that has dependencies within the project management team and also within the marketing team. So it means since the marketing team does not have the right to access the project management team, there is need for the project manager to specifically tag tasks that are involving the marketing department directly without recreating them into the marketing department. Now, assuming that the marketing department was to use the uploaded documents or files or videos for their function, and since the marketing department do not have access to uploads within the project management space, then this is how you create dependency so that the marketing department can interact with this specific task within their ClickUp space. So on this task, I'll navigate into the toggle option and I'll select that I would want this very specific task to be added into a different space area. So I'll select Add To from the flyout menu, click on the arrow within the Add option, and in this case, I'll select Add to another list. I'll click on Add to another list, and from the flyout menu that pops up, I'll select Marketing List. I'll pick the very first list at the top section, and the task is added into the marketing department. So if I navigate into the marketing department, I can tell that the new uploaded task has already been linked into the marketing department. So the marketing department do not necessarily have to navigate into the project management space in order to access the uploads folder. Well, that is how you work with dependencies within ClickUp. See you in the next nugget.